Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to make automatic street light project using LDR. So what are the components we need to make our project is transistor, LED, few resistors and LDR. We also need our power source, which is battery 9-volt battery, and switch so we can turn our project on and off. And we also need a breadboard for prototyping our project. So the circuit of our project is like this. Here is our LED and here is our transistor. This is LDR. We have to connect here some resistance, and from this point to this point we have our power source. So this is the circuit diagram. This is our bulb or LED, transistor, resistor, LDR, and this is our battery. So next thing we have to do is we have to make the circuit in our breadboard, which is similar to the circuit we have made here. So let us begin now. So this is our transistor. We have connected this, you can see it in different holes. So as you can see in our circuit, we need to connect our LED to this junction. We can take this as emitter. Okay, so this we have to connect LED here. So, and also you should know that in LED this one is positive and this one is negative, as from generally nowadays new LEDs are there in which the side of which is longer is generally positive, or also you can check it out by yourself using it to connect it to the battery. So we have to connect in this, and we have to something. So we had connected our LED like this. Now we have to connect it resistor from another end of the LED. You can see this is the another end of the LED, and we have to connect the resistor to it. So we have to do this. We have connected resistor, and this resistor other end should be connected to the base. So this will be connected. Now you can see another end of LED is connected to the first end of the resistor, and another end of resistor is connected to the base, as in the circuit diagram. Now we have to do is that we have to connect LDR from base to the another junction of emitter. So what we need is LDR. So now you can see this is connected to base 1 and another end of the LDR is connected to the emitter junction here, which is according to our project. Sorry, I forgot to mention, since our LED do not work on high voltages, so we need to connect, here you can see, we need to connect a resistance in series with our LED so that it can control the amount of current in the LED. So we need to connect a resistance here. So in our circuit we need to connect our resistor. So we need to remove this right now. We need to connect in series, so we have connected. Now you can see this resistor is in series with the LED. Now we have to connect our resistors this end to this end like this. I will suggest you to use potentiometer in case of this resistance, so you can change the sensitivity of your LDR. First end will be in series with the, and second end will be at the base of our transistor. So now what left is we have to connect our power source. As you can see, power source is connected between this resistor end to this resistor end, which means you can see here, this end to this end we have to connect power source between here, okay, and other end LDR to emitter junction, LDR this one to this one, so we can connect it this one to this one. Let me rotate it for you so you can see it. So this one to this one we can connect here or here or here, power source. So here is your power source. This is positive, so we have connected it here. We have connected it, you can see it properly. And this one is negative, this one is negative, which we have to connect it here. Now what we have to do is we have to turn on our project, okay. So we have turned on our project. As you can see, LED is not on, since light is, wait a minute, since light is striking our LDR, so our LED is not working, which is the main concept of our, or we can say the main working of our project. That's what we need. In the day the light or bulb or LED do not glow, but at night it starts glowing. Now we have switched on our project. Now you can see, so let us move on the working of our project. This is positive, this is negative, therefore this terminal will also be positive, positive, positive too. When no light is striking our LDR, it have a high resistance. When it have a high resistance, so voltage drop here from this to this resistance will be low, and this resistance to this resistance will be high. So what we get hit that this will be positive and this will be less positive. Since this is a NPN transistor and negative is connected to the positive terminal, so this will be reverse biased. Similarly, this is forward biased. As you can see, negative terminal is connected with negative junction, and this is less negative, so this is at least positive than this one, so this is forward bias. And this is forward reverse biased condition in which transistor is in active state. So the maximum current flows through our transistor, in which 95% of current flows from emitter, electron flows from emitter to collector, and 5% flows to the base. So electrons will flow from here to here, then there, and direction of current will be just opposite. This is what it will look like. So our LED glows when no light is striking our LDR. Let us take the another scenario in which light is striking our LDR. Since light is striking our LDR, resistance will decrease, and when this resistance will decrease, the current flows from here to here, and then this. So this is how our transit. You can also make another project with this circuit, which you can say is anti-theft alarm. What you need to do is you have to replace the LED with a speaker. You have to connect a speaker here, or you can say alarm, and then what you have to do is you have to use a laser in which pointing toward LDR, and since this light is striking our LDR, current flows from here to here and goes in this direction, so our speaker doesn't work. When a thief comes in your house, this is, I think, here is your safe, treasure I can say, and here is thief. When he goes here and touches the laser, the light will stop going towards LDR. The moment light stops striking LDR, its resistance increases and current flows through speaker. So it starts making sound for alerting you that theft or thief has been entered in your house.
Go be safe in your Jeep. I won't quit the elephant.